Hello traders, welcome to this video on the virtual trade monitor indicator for MT4. This tool turns your MetaTrader 4 platform into a live risk-free trading simulator by letting you place virtual trades on real-time charts and track their performance without using actual capital. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, once attached, the virtual trade monitor adds an on-chart interface where you can open virtual buy and sell positions at live market prices using buttons or commands. Each simulated trade is shown directly on the chart with entry price markers, stop loss and take profit levels, and exit points, so you can visually flow or follow how the trade would have behaved. At the same time, a panel displays live profit and loss, drawdown, and other statistics, giving you a clear picture of how your virtual account would be performing under real market conditions. As for the settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, so we have quite a number of them, including auto detect pairs, show jumps, display jump info, show jump alert, show basket background, and the rest of that. They're all here. You can choose your pairs you want to see in the dashboard. You can customize colors as well and trade your preferred time frames. So who is it for and what are its limitations? The virtual trade monitor is ideal for beginners practicing execution, strategy developers for testing ideas, and discretionary traders who want to refine entries, exits, and risk management in live markets without financial risks. It does not place real trades, does not generate trade signals by itself, does not fully capture slippage or the full emotional impact of real money, and results depend heavily on using realistic risks and position size settings. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full virtual trade monitor indicator MT4 article, including detailed feature breakdowns, use cases, advantages, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.